work our way. All right, so here it is, the Florida Times Union. So the newspaper of, and then here we are in a very historic square. What I imagine is because this square is all cobble blocks, and let's actually walk across this because I don't want to put my brummy through the pain of crossing these cobblestones with me on him. But yeah, the first governor of Florida under the United States flag was Andrew Jackson, so this town was named for him, 1821. So hence all this here, and you guys can see there's still, you know, there's development going on here, so I'm sure more good things are to come here. And look at the street signs there, Laurel Street, and it's an actual it's like an actual monument to the name of the street. But yeah, let's get back onto this little path here. And see where this takes us to eventually. But yeah, you can see there's barricades here, so they're not finished with this. See if we could get out this way somehow. This guy's just going across the grass. Well, no, we're gonna have to go around Laurel Street and around all this stuff here. Okay, so wow, a very, very quiet, sort of an eerie almost feeling to, you know, to a downtown. And it's not like, you know, it's the middle of the summer where it's hot. Here, I guess. Yeah, it's you know, this is March, guys. Okay, 4:52, 3 o'clock, around 4 o'clock, I guess. Okay, so this street's still under construction. There is something to the effect of a tramway here, which I was not made aware of, but definitely, you know, if we're in town, we might as well ride the tram. So maybe tomorrow, let's find out, or for tomorrow, just to get to Joe's Crab Shack real quick and without losing a lot of energy in the morning. Let us check out the Skyway. All right, so it runs from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Right. Yeah, this definitely deserves a selfie, guys. So yeah, it's still showing. So it's still showing 83 degrees out, guys. But yeah, Kings Avenue Station is only where we're gonna get to, kind of thing, and then Rosa Park Transit Station up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's only like 9 blocks by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's only like 9 by 10 block system, and there's only basically one line, the blue line. To get you around town and stuff. Yeah, so it's showing 83 degrees right now, guys. So the peak of the temperature today. And so yeah, sadly we won't be able to take this too much tomorrow, because we wanted to see if we could maybe get out to the beach. But well, that's what exploring is about, guys, right? Detour of the Riverwalk is this way. All right, so now we can get back to the Riverwalk. Yeah, guys, if you like tranquility like this, this is definitely where you guys want to be. Oh. There's some more opening bridges down here, guys.